Hi there. Before starting experimentation with Atmega 32, in this video we'll look at what are the tools that are required to complete this course. Now tools as such means I don't want you to have an Atmega 32 development board or anything as such because everything that we are going to discuss can be completed in a simulation environment. It doesn't mean that I will not be demonstrating you about the hardware and the actual program downloading procedure, but what I am implying here is that those hardware stuffs are not mandatory. And you can take up this course, do all the practices and learn everything that is here to be learned using the simple simulation tools. The first of which is Atmel Studio. This is the original compiler, or what we can say more prominently is IDE that we use for creating Atmel or AVR projects. Atmel Studio 7 is available for free download as shown in the previous video. Make sure you download and install it. When it asks for installing some additional drivers, then please do say yes to all of them. Second thing is the simulation tool. Now, anyone who is interested enough must have seen there are many microcontroller simulation tools, but there are none or very few which are completely free and yet fully functional. So, Simul IDE is one such IDE which I have found to be very useful for AVR as well as peak microcontroller simulations, and it is close to the very popular software which is called as Protus ISIS, but it is completely free. Of course, it is not as sophisticated as Protus, but for all our experimentation, it will do the job that is required for us. Let's see how to download or where to find SAML IDE and download it on our system. So just open a browser and simply type SIMULIDE. It will give us the home page of the software, Simul IDE or Simul IDE, whatever you may like to call it. It is completely free to use and it gives you real-time simulations as well. So let's go to downloads and let's download 64-bit version. It's a very small software, you can see 20 MB only. So I'll just extract the downloaded zip file. You can use it or you can use any software for extraction. And this is Simul IDE. When you open it, you will not see the regular setup file as usual we have when we are installing softwares, but there is bin and share, just two folders. So just go to bin and double click Simul IDE. That's about it, and it will directly start working. There is no installation required, there is no complicated setups required, and it's totally free of cost. So on the microcontroller front, you can see we have AVR series, and inside the Atmega series, we have Atmega 8, 16, 32, which are the most popular ones. Simply click here, keep the mouse clicked, and you can take your IC in your workspace. You can also increase your workspace size, zoom in a little bit, and look for all the pinouts and everything. Then there are other components like LED, LED bar, LED matrix, then multicolor LED, 7 segment, LCD, stepper motor, servo motor, audio output. So these are some output devices which are available for simulation. Then there are switches for input. And then most of the things that we try to experiment with are available over here. So I think that is enough than what we need. In the sensor part also there is an ultrasonic distance sensor which can be interfaced. So all in all, it's a nice package in a very low price, or not low price actually, but completely free of cost. So I'll let you know how to use this in detail in coming few videos. Just make sure you have downloaded and installed the Simul IDE, not installed, but just downloaded the Simul IDE. Keep it in some folder which is your working directory right now. And apart from that, what I said was Atmel Studio 7. So I have already installed Atmel Studio. So I'll just show it to you. Mind well, if your software, if your computer is not a very fast one, then Atmel Studio may take some time in loading for the first time. Remember, it will only take the some significant time in first time loading. After that, it is straightforward. So this is Atmel Studio. You can go to start menu over here and directly create a new project, and then there are debug tools, and there are a number of different things in Atmel Studio as well. So I just want you to be ready with both of these things so that we can directly jump start with our experimentations with Atmega 32 microcontroller. Thank you for watching this video. The link for SimulIDE is also given after this video. So make sure you download it and be ready to start experimenting. Thank you.